Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com, where we discuss about the process online surface recognition system using artificial neural network systems in tuning operations. Let me discuss about the process online surface recognition system using artificial neural networks in tuning operations. So in this process, they have described the lathe operations and also the metal is smoothened using the lathe process, so that are also given. So we are not performing that, so we are getting the input images from the lathe operations. So that images were collected and first data are saved. So data set is collected and images are trained by extracting the mean, standard deviation and the GC features from the images. Two labels were set at manually by us. So if the images were smooth, means then smooth is smooth means then the value is particular value is given, and for rough surfaces particular value is given. Then the test image is pre-processed and then mean principal common magnitude features were extracted for the images. Then the test image features and the train image features were then passed into the neural network classifier. The neural network classifier classifies the input images based on the feature extracted into rough and smooth. So this process reduces manual work in many of the lathe operations. So we can automatically identify whether the metal surface is smooth or rough, and if it is rough means we have to apply some more lasers so that the metal surface becomes smooth, and if the image is classified as smooth, then the laser operations can be stopped. So similarly, this process can be useful in many areas, and it reduces the tables in the laser operations. Thank you. So let me see the flow of the process. Online surface recognition system using artificial neural network systems in tuning operations. So initially the input images in that database is pre-processed using some filters. So pre-processing is a basic step in this processing. So here we are applying medium filter to remove the noises in the images. Then we are extracting the features from the images using the mean and the principal component magnitude. So the mean value of the input image is calculated and it is saved as features. Similarly, the PCM values were calculated and they were saved as features. Similarly, for in the training process, this process is repeated for all the images which is present in the dataset. So this is a training process. So this will work for the trained images that we have given. So the images were images in the training dataset were pre-processed and features were accepted for all the images in the database, and then they are also saved. We are also giving some true labels. So if they are rough images means we are giving some true label, and they are smooth images means we are also giving some true label. So these values are passed into the neural network classifier. So the neural network classifier recognizes the pattern and classifies the images based on the features extracted, and the classifier results are so that, and we are measuring the classifier accuracy, and we got about 95%. Yes. Let me discuss about the running procedure of the process online surface roughness recognition system using artificial neural networks in tuning operation. So if you want to run the code, select the file main.m, which is located in the source code folder. Right click it and click on run file. You will get a sky window. So this sky window contains all the user images which is required in order to run the code. So first select the input image. So give any data which is present within the data folder. So this contains many of the rough and the smooth metal surfaces. So if we click give it, so this surface we are going to find whether the surface is smooth or rough using a neural networks. So first, for that initially we are applying pre-processing operation. So after pre-processing, the features were extracted from the input images. So we are calculating the mean value and the PCM features from the input images. So the extracted features were displayed here. So in training we are extracting the features for all the images which is present in the dataset, and the values were given in this value. Then we apply the classification process. So in the classification, we are classifying the input surfaces based on the features extracted. So this surface is classified as a rough surface, and the accuracy is given as like this. So hence we are classifying the input metal surfaces into rough or smooth based on the mean and the PCM features extracted, and we are also training the database using the same features extracted, and then we are classifying using the neural network classifier. Thank you.